Hey, I'm out here today with Bubba and his mom. I wanted to show you guys this sweet little boy. He is still available as of today. He has got beautiful, beautiful coat. He's got that walk the poodles have when they run and prance. You can definitely see it when he starts to really start moving. He's got some beautiful eyes, very, very sweet personality. He just wants to be held and loved and played. Come here. So he's got beautiful, beautiful eyes, a very sweet personality. He's got very, very thick fur. Silver beige, they do change color a little bit, but his color is darker, so I don't expect it to get any lighter than the color his face is right now. So it will change some. He will change color a little bit, but if you look at his roots going, it's still very, very dark, so he'll be a lot darker than his mama. But he's very, very sweet, very, very, very loving. He is my pick of litter for the males. Come here. Here, let me let you out. Come on. Come here. Good boy. Good boy, Bubby. He is a sweetheart. Come on. Come on. Nope, there he goes. All right, well, that's him.